Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to trigger outbound message here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, Salesforce outbound messages are a way to send SOAP-based messages to an external system when certain events occur in Salesforce, typically triggered by a workflow rule or process builder. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged into your account is go to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click the setup. Now, we need to establish an outbound message first if you haven't already. Now, on the quick find, I want you to type in outbound messages. If you can't find the outbound messages, basically you haven't set it up first. What will happen is you would see the environment change sets and the outbound change sets. This is going to be our outbound message, our default outbound message. You see? Understanding deployments. Okay, so you can send customizations from one organization to another by uploading and deploying change sets, which requires connection between the two organizations. This is the outbound message, and of course, this is going to be the outbound. All right. A change set is going to be an outbound change set is a change set created in the organization. So all I have to do is click the continue. So this is going to be the outbound message. All right. But of course, we need to create a new one because we haven't already. And this, let's say that this is going to be deep labs outbound. Description is this. Okay. All I have to do is click on save. If you feel like this is not enough, you have the option to always edit that, change the set detail, change set components. You can add more and add another here. And if you wanted for the profile settings for included in components, you also have the option here. But we're not going to do that for now. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back again in a quick find. I'm going to type in workflow actions, and that's going to be this. Now, on the new email alert, you can put in another one. Now here, all you have to do is put some description. Okay, so make sure this object is going to be for an event. Email template. If you want to search, you can do that. All right. And then select the users. Click on save. Want to make sure that all the information is correct. And then after that, just configure the troubleshooting. I want you to type in flow in this case. Click on flow. Now, click on the new flow on the upper right. It only works basically on the record triggered flow, all right? You can start from scratch or you can use a template. We're going to choose the template. Click the start from scratch. Click the record triggered flow. Wait for it to load. Now, basically, you can start a record triggered flow. For example, the object is going to be like a count. It configures when a record is created or updated. I'm going to choose the first one. All right. You can set some conditions for none, of course, but I'm going to choose this one. All conditions are met. Field is going to be type. Operators equals, and this is going to be basically customer, right? After that, all I have to do is click on save, all right? Flow label is going to be, click on save. All right. All I have to do now is you have the option. You can view. Let's create a test email for now. Label is set test trigger path. You have to create it and run immediately, right? You see, there's going to be an option here. So you need to make sure everything is correct. I'm going to skip this for now. We're just exploring some options here. You can run to make sure that the trigger is correct. You see, there's going to be an error. Right, so let's troubleshoot that. You also have an option to debug. Skip start conditions, select account if you have. Say, for example, global media. Click on run. Let's see what will happen. So the flow can run because nothing is connected to the start element. So that's one way for you to make sure that the trigger is correct. You can save this as a new flow. All right, or you can save this as new version depending on your preferences. All I have to do is click on activate. And basically that's how you trigger Salesforce outbound message. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.